everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just a very quick video, very simple. Of course, most of my designs are very simple, and I hope you like it. Alright, I'm going to get started. I'm going to be using a dotting stylus. You can use anything you want to create dots. I'm using a fine liner by Wistonia, and I do place the links down below. Some are affiliate links that you can purchase through. Number 8 Amagic round brush and a number 8 Deerfoot stippler. Paints I'm using are FolkArt paints, using School Bus Yellow, Evergreen, Wicker White, Yellow Ochre, and brushed metal. It is the Antique Gold. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is begin to make the petals of the flowers I'm creating. I'm going to get my brush full of paint using the Wicker White, kind of tap it into the brushed metal, and then I'm going to do just real simple little strokes, pulling up towards the center, and then just pulling around like that. Right, so here we go again, and I'm trying to get my hand out of the way. It's hard with these brushes being so long. And I'll just tip it back into some gold, and you can make your petals different lengths. And you can create with however many petals you want. There's really not a set amount that you have to do. Alright, let's go this way. Try to figure out a way to do this where you can see it without my hand being in the way. It's a disadvantage of being a left-handed person when you're trying to teach. Alright, so very simple. And I'm just pulling towards the center, coming up this way and pulling towards the center. So I'm basically on this design just using five petals. Now if you want to come back over it to make them more opaque, feel free to do so. This type of painting makes it a little bit easier to do this with, because there's not a lot of layering of petals and that kind of thing. So if you feel like it's too transparent, go ahead and go back over them. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is put my Deerfoot stippler. It's kind of angled, put the front of it into the Yellow Ochre, the back of it into the School Bus Yellow, and I'm just going to pounce it on my plate. These are not difficult centers. They're just basically kind of blended with the two colors. Alright, so I'm just going to come up here, make it a circular motion like that. Do that again with the next one, and they can be kind of rounded. They don't have to be huge, but they can be kind of rounded or pointed. If you want to make them look more like a coneflower, you can do that too. And again, with this type of painting, if you want to go back over it, feel free to do so. Again, I can make it more of a pointed look. There you have it. Very simple. Then I'm going to take my dotting stylus, dip it into, oh, I forgot that one. It's copper. It's a metallic. It's also, sorry about that, I forgot that one. It's a multi-surface. It's copper. I'm going to dip that in and create my little dots. And it's a contrast color, so it stands out a little bit more than sometimes when I'm doing these. They're not as easy to see, but this color combination, you can come down into your petals too, but this color combination makes it easier for them to stand out. And do the same over here. And as with anything I paint, if there's something about it you don't like, you want to add or take away, feel free to do so. It's definitely not something you have to do it exactly the way I'm doing it. Alright, and then the last thing, I told you it was going to be quick and simple. I'm putting my fine liner into the evergreen, and I'm just going to do quick little stems, and they're all separated. Now of course on this glass, you know, you might want to choose to add another color or a brighter green. That's up to you, but they're all going to be separate, and that's intentional. And I think I have something left over from my previous painting, and there you have it. I'm not going to add any leaves, which I'm sure you're probably shocked because I'm a leaf person, but I'm going to leave it like this, just very simple. Doesn't always have to be full and difficult. Simple's good too. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. New to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Prior to leaving, if you would take a moment to share this video on your social network with your family and friends, I would greatly appreciate that. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.